Today we're gonna make caramel bread pudding. To get started on making our caramel bread pudding, we're gonna first make our caramel sauce. So I have a pan here that I put on high heat, and we're gonna slowly add sugar. We're gonna cook our sugar to make our caramel sauce. So now our sugar has all dissolved and we made this beautiful light caramel sauce. So now we're gonna go and assemble our dish. So we have 8 cups of chopped bread here. You can use wedges, baguette, whatever bread you have, even sliced bread. And we're gonna get started with 5 eggs. I'm gonna add that to the bowl. Sugar. We're gonna whisk this together first. Next, we're gonna add our milk and our heavy cream. I'm gonna pour this in. Next, we're gonna add in vanilla. Mix that together. And last, we're gonna add in our bread. So we're gonna take the bread, we're gonna soak that in. So we want all the bread to soak up our liquid. Look at that, it smells amazing. We take our baking sheet here. I preheated the oven at 375. So I'm gonna take some cooking spray. Spray that on the sides. And then I'm gonna pour in all of our bread mixture into this. Straighten it out. Perfect. Now we're gonna take our caramel sauce, our homemade caramel sauce that we've already made. And I'm gonna drizzle it all over the top before we bake it. Like that. Bread pudding is one of those dishes you really can add so many different variations. You can add chocolate, you could do fig, caramel. There's so many different things. You can add raisins. So this is a fun dish to work with. So this caramel one will be a nice treat for hoping my kids will eat it. So I've added that in there. And now we're gonna put that in the oven. Look at this beautiful color on our caramel bread pudding. Look at this, it's delicious. Pull this out. That looks delicious. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com, and don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram for more entertaining tips.